Okay guys, thank you so much for watching again. My name is Tum Energia Martial Arts. With me today, one of my best students, Yaniek van Aken. We're going to show you a very nice sweep from close guard. It's going to be a flower sweep. Let's get straight to it. So let's look at the flower sweep from close guard. So we're going to do another sweep from close guard. Let's start off with the grip on my left hand. You could go with a shotgun grip on the triceps of her arm, flaring your elbow in and controlling her arm. But in this case, I don't really control Yaniek's posture, and the sweep might be a bit harder. So if you're able to get a better grip, it would be an overhook on her arm, flaring your elbow in like a wizard. Now in this case, I control her posture. Try to pull your arm out, please. It's pretty tight and it's hard for her to get posture. As she's leaning forward, her butt, I'm just going to show you, her butt is off her heels. So that creates space on the inside of her knee. That's where I want to insert my right hand. So I'm just going to lift this leg so you can see what's happening. I'm going to insert my right hand, look, and it's going to go elbow deep on the inside of her knee. Now before I sweep to the side, I don't really have her weight all the way on top of me. So first I want to pull her forward being that way. I'm going to do that with my right knee behind her armpit. Boom, I'm going to throw her off. This leg is going to be like an extra pendulum. I'm going to throw it together. So 1, 2, 3, I'm going to lift her on top of me. Now, at the highest point of my entry, when I lift her up, that's when I'm going to make a calf curl and sweep her to the side. Boom, and sweep. One more time, let's go big bet. Okay, so I managed to go high, break her posture, boom, work my way to an overhook, bring her down, insert my right hand elbow deep underneath her knee. First I'm gonna lift her up and then I'm gonna sweep her to the side, boom. As I sweep, I come up to get my points, to get my position. You could keep track of the arm, work towards armbar, or just slide down to full mount. So one detail on the end, as I sweep, just going to show with a shotgun grip once. As I sweep, I'm going to lift. Don't just curl and stay on your back. Boom. Because now she'll just try to get back up or back in the same position. So when I sweep, I want to make a sit-up motion. Now there's an amazing solo drill we do for this. A lot of times you might have seen it. You do a back roll, and just as you go back, look, this is how I sweep her up. That's when I cut the corner and go 90 degrees to my side. Boom. And I sit up, elevate my hips. Boom. 1, 2. 1, 2. This motion is what I want to create. So one more time. I'm going to control either a shotgun grip or an overhook, but I'm going to flare my elbow in so she doesn't pose with this arm. Reach underneath, throw her up and to the side. Now you could lower this leg. Look at my left leg. I'm going to go up, then I lower the left leg and just slide into full mount. Or you get a bit of extra motion, a bit of extra power, boom, you're going to sweep and you have to sit up. Sit up, you could control and spin for an arm bar here. Boom. But I prefer getting a top position. Now let's look at it from a different angle. So same side, and now you're going to see what this hand is doing. So get up, get the overhook, keep her posture down. I like to keep my knees pretty tight and high, so I could always work towards a triangle, omoplata, or rubber guard. I want to reach underneath, and if she tries to sit on my arm, because I have the overhook and the posture a bit forward, my arm doesn't get really stuck. So deep, I'm going to lift and calf down. So go 1, 2, and go to full mount. That's it. It was. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we helped a bit explaining some nice details from the technique or the video we showed today. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggestions whatsoever, something you want to see in the future. Discuss one of the techniques, some of your variations. We're super excited if you share your thoughts with us. Now please guys, remember to subscribe to the channel and put on notifications. We're gonna drop new videos, trying to get new videos to you every week or once 2 weeks. Put on those notifications so you get an email, you get a note when there's a new video available so you can start watching it, drilling it with your partners. Besides that guys, we're super excited that we get to share this with you. It takes a lot of time and effort, so for that reason we created a Patreon account. The link will be down in the description below. Anything you can miss to support the channel, support our BJJ, support grappling would be much, much appreciated. Final note, we are wearing some very nice gear, like this one or anything shown in the videos, black and white with colors, with nice designs. That's all of our own gear called Energia Fightwear. If you want to support us in a different way, hook me up, send me a message, order one of the rash guards, shorts, kimonos, gis, bags, belts, patches, streetwear, anything we have to not only support the channel, support the group, but also represent, show off some nice gear on the mat. Thank you so much. See you in the next video or on the mat. Oes.